Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to create and stick to a budget. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather your financial information. Take inventory of your income, expenses, and debts. Step 2. Determine your financial goals. Are you saving for a big purchase or trying to pay off debt? Knowing your goals will help you prioritize your spending. Step 3. Track your expenses. Keep a record of everything you spend. You can use a spreadsheet, budgeting app, or a good old-fashioned notebook. Step 4. Categorize your expenses. Divide your expenses into categories like housing, transportation, groceries, and entertainment. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going. Step 5. Set limits for each category. Determine how much you can realistically afford to spend in each category based on your income and financial goals. Step 6. Prioritize saving. Allocate a portion of your income towards savings every month. Pay yourself first and build an emergency fund for unexpected expenses. Step 7. Cut unnecessary expenses. Review your expenses and identify any non-essential items or services you can do without. This will free up money for your financial goals. Step 8. Stick to your budget. Track your expenses regularly and adjust as necessary. Stay accountable and resist the temptation to overspend. Remember, every dollar counts towards your financial success. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to achieving financial stability. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips on managing your money. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to create and stick to a budget.